What's up, guys? I didn't have a lot of time to make a really good video because, as you can see, we have been packing. Well, Marin has been packing and I have been helping move some heavy stuff. But excuse me, the title of this video is a little bit clickbait, but deal with it, okay? It's still a cool video. You get to see the Miata get cleaned and everything after we've been gone for 2 weeks. So it'll basically just be a couple shots of the Miata super dirty, a couple shots of me cleaning it, and then some after shots. Like I said, not the best video, but I'm sorry, I don't have a lot of time right now. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
It's been here for 2.5 weeks. We abandoned